and welcome to my channel Mastery of Library. Today I am going to tell you about World Bicycle Day. So you don't skip this video and watch till end. Okay guys? So before that, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. In April 2018, the United Nations General Assembly declared June 3rd as International World Bicycle Day. The resolution for World Bicycle Day recognizes the uniqueness, longevity and versatility of the bicycle, which has been in use of 2 centuries, and that it is a simple, affordable, reliable, clean and environmentally fit sustainable means of transport. World Bicycle Day is now being associated with promoting a healthy lifestyle for those with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. The next thing is the founding of World Bicycle Day. Professor Leszek Sibisky, Polish social scientist working in the United States, led a grassroots campaign with his social class to promote a UN resolution for World Bicycle Day, eventually gaining the support of Turkmenistan and 56 other countries. The original UN blue and white June 3rd World Bicycle Day logo was designed by Isaac Felder and the accompanying animation was done by Professor John E. Swanson. It depicts bicyclists of various types riding around the globe. At the bottom of the logo is the hashtag June 3rd World Bicycle Day. The main message is to show that the bicycle belongs to and serves all of humanity. So guys, the next thing is, how can bicycling improve your health? Here are some of the most benefits of bicycling on your physical and mental well-being. Cycling is an aerobic activity that is good for curing heart disease. It is beneficial for the heart, muscles, lungs and helpful for overall body workout. It increases muscle strength and flexibility, especially that of arms and legs. It reduces stress and tension. It helps in improving cardiovascular fitness and in getting flexible joints. It is also beneficial for improving body posture and coordination. Strong bones and leg muscles can be achieved by cycling as it helps in burning body fats, thus reducing obesity. So, cycling is one of the most pleasurable forms of commutation with no major expenditure. So guys, I wish you happy World Bicycle Day. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, support and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in an interesting video like this. Thank you.